To resolve the persistent Windows 11 USB sound issue, we will adjust System Sound Settings. First, open the Windows search bar by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or clicking the search icon on your taskbar, and then select Change System Sounds from the results. This action will open the Sound Control panel. Within the Sound Control panel, locate the Power Scheme setting. Ensure that the power scheme is set to either Windows Default or No Sound. If it is already set to No Sound, your issue is likely resolved. However, if it is set to Windows Default, you will need to scroll down the list of sounds. Find the entries for Device Connect and Device Disconnect. Select Device Connect and change its associated sound to None. Repeat this process for Device Disconnect, also changing its sound to None. Once these changes are made, click Apply to save your adjustments, and then click OK to close the Sound Control panel. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.